Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time that you are watching this video, and I hope that you're okay. All right, so we are going to simplify two questions here, that is part A and part B. All right, so there's something that we always have a misconception about is when it comes to simplifying. Usually, all what you're doing is you're breaking down something and later on, all right, correcting what is like or what is not what like. So can we do that in these two questions? All right, so 3 multiplied by 4x minus 5 or close brackets plus 2. This tells you that 3 is actually multiplying everything in the brackets there. So what is 3 times 4? And remember that same signs will always give you a positive. So if you're multiplying or dividing or division or adding, sorry, if you're multiplying two signs that are the same or dividing two signs that are the same, you always get a positive. But if they are different, you always get a negative. So 3 times 4, you get a 12, right? So write a 12 there. Let's write a 12 there. All right, so we'll get a 12. But remember that there's x there, so we add x. Then I have 3 multiplied by 5, which will give us 15. But it's negative, remember, so I put 15. Okay. Then we add plus 2 there. Everything is still intact. Now remember that there is x, there is no x, there is no x. So because there's no x in these two, we call them like terms. And the anytime we are adding different signs, you always subtract. Then your answer will get the sign from a bigger number between the two that we are adding. So here we maintain our 2x. Then 15 and 2, we are going to subtract like normal, which is 13. But the sign is coming from 15, which is negative. And this becomes in our answer. So then you come here, then you indicate your answer as 2x minus 13. All right, we proceed with the second one, x squared minus 3x minus 4x minus 5 squared. All right, so all what we have to do is that collect like terms. So we can say this and this, they are all squared. So we get our x squared and negative 5x squared. There's no squared, so and you can say this is just x and that is x. So we get them together like that. Remember, this is positive, but this is negative. And what I say about different signs, we subtract. So this is just like 1. So what is 5 minus 1? We get 4. The x squared will remain the same, but the sign will come from 5 because it's bigger. Same signs you add, then you maintain the sign. So we are maintaining the sign negative, and the 3 and 4 when you add them get 7, then x. So this becomes our answer. Then you come here, you write your answer there. Don't do anything here. We are just simplifying, and just like that, you are done.